Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's wanting to use the wet paint effect on the Distort Docker, but have two different colors and they can't figure out how to do it. So I'm going to do it the way you would normally do it. I haven't ever used this much, but under Effects and Distort and Wet Paint, if you got it set all the way, and there you have it. But you can't break it apart. Well, can you? Yes, you can. So let's just maybe make that easier. Then they want a different color, and they actually want this black. Well, maybe that's why they can't do it. So as you can see, you can't really do it. So I've found a way to do it, though. Let's make a duplicate of that word, and let's make this black, and then let's go to Effects and Distort and Wet Paint and let it do its job, and then take this one and put it back. So now you have two different colors, and you could make it any color. You could make it dark blue, you could make it yellow. That doesn't really look good, but purple. And then you could have the Distort any color you wanted once you started with that. Let's try that. Let's take this word, and let's say we want the Distort to be that. So I'm going to make a duplicate of that and put it over this. And we're going to go to Effects and Distort and Wet Paint. I've got mine set on the maximum, so it does the maximum. Just say okay, and then let's say if you wanted this to be a lighter shade of purple, your wet paint could be dark purple, and your other could be any color you wanted. That would look pretty good printed on a t-shirt. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.